Well, howdy, Reed. Welcome to the broadcast of the 5th anniversary of Clifton Market.
Well, thank you, Tom. Glad I could be here.
And I think you're on the pillar of donors over there, are you?
Yeah, I was happy to be. I was excited to be part of the founding and be able to contribute in that way.
Well, it's come a long way, and it's gone through quite a bit of transition.
Yeah. A lot of unexpected twists and turns, but we're here, and the market remains a great place to get some food, see your neighbors, and really vibrant part of the neighborhood. It's great.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. And we just think it can go on forever as long as Mr. Singh's in charge.
I love it.
I recently learned that he owns another grocery store in Euclid outside of Cleveland.
Oh, I did not know that.
It's another IGA.
Yeah.
And he's this is basically an IGA store.
Yeah.
And he can have better buying power.
Yeah, of course.
With more stores. So
Well, that's cool.
yeah, so it's kind of interesting.
Yeah, wonderful. No, it's been great. I'm glad you've been such an advocate and supporter of it over the years.
Well, thank you. It's a labor of love, and I always wanted to have my own talk show. This is kind of
There you go.
I don't have J-Lo, but I have you, Reed Hartman,
It's almost the same.
a famous raconteur here in Clifton.
Well, thank you.
So what are you cooking for dinner tonight?
I think it's going to be a simple soup, is what I hear. I was just picking up my dry cleaning, actually.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we have still dry cleaning.
Kroner
They lock
Dry
it up in
Cleaner.
the back so that people wouldn't steal your clothes.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that. And Kroner Dry Cleaning, they're a Cincinnati institution. Kroner family's been doing this for, 100 years or more. So, amazing people.
Well, great. Well, thank you very much, Reed. And
Thank you, Tom.
enjoy your shopping.
Yeah, me too. Good to see you.
Yes, thank you.